Good morning and welcome to 28 Blackfoot Trail in South Fork, Colorado. This is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 1 3/4 bath really, home in the desirable neighborhood of Indian Trails. This is about 4 miles east of South Fork, and this neighborhood does allow for short-term rentals. So you can rent out the house when you're not here and then block it off for yourself when you want to use it. You've got a great metal roof here and brick around the bottom and a great brick chimney there. You've got an attached 1-car garage and then a detached shop. So your attached garage is here and then a detached workshop. This sits on about a 1/4 acre and it's just a great, well-maintained, comfortable home. So let's go ahead and go inside. This neighborhood does have private river access down on the other side of the development. So if you go north into what is known as Lower Indian Trails, there is a fisherman's trail along the boundary there, along the river, where you can enjoy the river. But it's private access just for the people in this community. This home is on a water system, Indian Trails water system, and it is regulated and tested by the state. And then you have a septic system that handles your waste. You have CLO for high-speed wireless internet. It's fiber. And then the electricity is handled by the San Luis Valley Rural Electric Cooperative. Let's zoom out a little bit there. So you've got 2 really big bedrooms. These are, I don't know if I had to guess, 15 by 15. They're huge. Easily get a king-size bed in here, plus full-size dresser, chest of drawers, the whole bit. They're very big bedrooms. This bedroom has really neat sliding doors. You've got some shelves. Each one has a wall safe, and there's a lot of space in these closets. They're great. Here's the other bedroom, just as big. So you've got radiant baseboard heat, which there's a boiler in the back. It has been updated, serviced, drained. There's been a pressure test. It's been recharged, and all of the valves and everything have been redone on it as well. This one has a wall safe, and it's got the little shelves over there on the side as well. Here's our full bathroom, and you've got a new sink and countertop here. The cabinets are great. They're hardwood, original built-in, very well done. You've got a towel warmer there, tub, shower, and toilet. Here in the kitchen, you have both your breakfast bar and space for a dining room table here. Original hardwood, custom-built cabinets here as well, and they're very well done. They're seriously good quality, real wood, beautiful cabinets. Here's our 3/4 bath. You've got your washer dryer, they're staying. More cabinets up on top here, a shower stall, and a toilet. So I guess this is a half bath because there's no sink, but you could absolutely put a mop sink here if you wanted to. Here's our boiler that has been recently just serviced and updated and perfect and ready to go, and a new water heater as well. That's gas, not electric. You have another exterior door there. And then here is your attached 1-car garage. It is insulated. Your garage door is insulated too. And then over here you have the controls for your sprinkler system. This property does have an automatic sprinkler system for your grass. Keep it nice and green even when you're not here. We'll head back out. Look, there's more storage under here. This house has a lot of storage. It's great. This is a grapevine. It actually produces grapes. You have to get to them before the deer, though. So there's your 1-car garage. This is a 2-car, could be more than 2-car, garage and workshop. Nice concrete floor. It is insulated. You've got this heater here, wood stove, barrel stove, plenty of shelves. Sorry, the motorcycle is not included. I've already asked. You've got 220 here, power, so you could install an electric heater or a small welder if you wanted to. And then there's more storage back in here for your Christmas tree and whatever else. Super simple, but it's a nice big space. And then here, there's more storage above the garage if you want to put stuff up there. Out the back door here, we have a fenced yard. So you can, it's a great place for dogs. It's fenced around, probably 20 by 30, 20 by 35, something like that. And you could absolutely put a dog door here into the garage so that they'd have, a heated space if you were away at work or whatever. That would work out really well. And then we'll walk around. I'll show you the septic and then I'll let you go. It's just been very well kept, nicely updated. It's just a very comfortable home, absolutely move-in ready. So your septic tank is back here. Your leach lines run out this way, I believe. Your lids are ready to go, ready for inspection. Your propane tank is back. Where is the propane tank? Oh, it's right there, geez. And you own that. That is not leased, you own it. And one more thing to tell you is you can absolutely park an RV here. You've got a sewer outlet right there that goes to your septic tank. You've got power here. You can tap into large power there if you want. You've also got this 220 here that you can plug into. And then your water is right here at the front of the house. So you can absolutely park an RV. It's right there. You could run a hose. Great for guests coming by, visiting. So you have more than 2 bedrooms if you need them, if somebody brings their RV. And then just a walk down the back side of the house here. All the siding's in great shape, the brick's in great shape. You have another water outlet there. Well maintained, comfortable, green. And you've got a paved driveway, which is really nice. You'll get plenty of sunshine on that and it'll melt out pretty quickly. All right, there you have it. That's 28 Blackfoot Trail in South Fork, Colorado. I'm Dee. Give me a call, 719-873-5605. Have a great day.